Ano pa?
Hindi ka na bukas. Anong
Oh,
nararamdaman
yeah. Ano? Hindi ko masabi. Party.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dati magbukas sa tindahan.
Allow me to start this vlog by sharing some clips ng last day nila Mama and Papa visiting Manila. Naganda kami dahil ni baby Fiji and we had my other ate and her family and celebrated together. It was super duper nice and a happy time together as family dahil kinabukasan, uwi na sila Mama pabalik ng probinsya.
Birthday girl! Si birthday girl! Naluluto ka.
Ganun na nga. Ayun, pinatay.
Huwag ka tumingin. Kumari yan.
Terminal 2 entrance. Then stay to the left to Terminal 2 departures.
Love you pa! Ingat kayo!
April 1, my ate and I decided to have a spontaneous beach trip. We ended up in Liwliwa, Zambales together with the doggos, Maddie, and Fiji. We stayed in Kwentong Dagat Beach Resort overnight and had a great time. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Liwliwa in San Felipe, Zambales. Pauwi na kami. And we're just having breakfast. Later on, check-out time. Pero may time pa naman para mag-go ulit. And this is what we're having for breakfast. Ano tayo? Go. Kape, tsaka pandesal with this. Very nice. Palaman. One April weekend, I was with my co-workers whom for the longest time, I've only interacted with virtually. May pagila sa work and we had a 3 days, 2 nights, all expense paid at Shangri-La Fort. This is us partying on night 1. We have here some stuff that they actually shared for everyone. So upon check-in, look, I am working at the Mart International. So you have here like the chocolate, white chocolate, and then some macarons. This beautiful letter. Wow. Tabi. Alauna na umaga. And galing kami ng karaoke session. So we had our boss from Arizona, USA, and it's his first time here in the Philippines. So we went on a karaoke night. Pinakita natin ang galing ng Pilipino pagdating sa pagkanta. Anyways, so today, room tour na ako kasi for sure this is gonna be a messy room right after. And ayoko magpanggap na malilinis ko pa siya. So, ngayon pala, i-room tour ko na kayo. So, upon entrance, you do have here your cabinet or closet. This is the robe from the hotel and then ito yung susuotin ko para sa mamayang event namin. In front of the closet is a full body mirror. Hi everyone! Hello! And of course, the restroom. So, very spacious ang kanilang restroom dito. You also have a bathtub. Look at these amenities, everyone. Excited to use this. This one. Soap. And also have here some amenities good for 2 people. Now naman, pag tumapat ka, meron tayo ditong receiving area. There's another cabinet just in case marami kang dala. Here's the full view of the room. And that's that for the whole room tour. Just so excited sa mga ganap. Mamaya, yung gala na namin, it's gonna be like a Gatsby themed. And samahan niyo ako. I'm gonna be also sharing yung buong damit ko. Yun lang. I'll be taking a bath and tuloy na tayo. Everyone, I'm done with my hair and makeup. So, I don't know kung kinaganda ko ba to or what. Pero, there you go. Since Gatsby inspired siya, medyo kailangan talaga graduate yung look. And this is me right now. Hindi pa ako nagbibihis kasi 12:30 pa. And it's only 11:40. Siguro ba yung 12? Magbibihis ako. Let me just... there you go. Para mas makita nyo ako. I don't know if you appreciate the makeup. And I don't know if nakikita yung hair and makeup. Or actually makeup lang. Sinang pagawa ng buhok kasi meron akong lalagay sa ulo ko. Mga pasabog. Pasabog. Let me show to you kung ano yung view ko. And there. So, just a nice view. Alam nyo guys, I've been in this company for 2 years and promise, hindi ko akalain na 2 years na pala. It's definitely one of the best decisions I've made in my career. That shift, no? So, I've been working from home and then I'm earning dollars. Tapos may mga ganito pa na mga perks. Wala lang, nakaka-overwhelm. I'm so blessed to experience this one in my lifetime. And I'm not naman saying na, I wish this will be the last job and so on. Ito na ako tatanda. Because we'll never know what the future holds. But for now, niyayakap ko lang lahat. No? Ini-embrace ko lang lahat. And I think that's my message siguro. Sometimes in your life, there will come some leap of faith. No? Wherein you will be tested whether gagawin mo ba isang bagay or hindi, and so on. And if that happens to you, of course, number 2, weigh the pros and cons. And number 3, may you have the leap of faith, no, to say yes to the opportunity. Because you'll never know, no. I'm back, everyone, and I won! I won Female Star of the Night, and I also have a crown here. Tapos, 10,000! Ito ang nagdala. Shein, 300. And then the gown is also from Shein with a little tassel here and there. But that was so fun. Amazing event. Hindi tayo nanalo ng raffle, sayang. That would have completed everything, but still had a great time. Oh, we also received some goodies. Let me show to you the goodies for everyone. Ito. So, ito yung nakalagay.